Hey, what's good, YouTube? Gary here. This is 5 Daily Bricks. We have a quick little update to our story. Let's get to it. Alright, so what's in this box is just going to be just a little update of the story and how things, well, you'll see what's in here and then you'll kind of guess how the story is going. Cheers. Thank you for your order. That's pretty cool. They gave me a little freebie. I may actually use that. That's like some sort of enchanted axe or something. Alright, so we have a bunch of heads here. Let's look at them. Alright, so we have some heads that are kind of mangled. So, what is going on here? Alright, so this is the aftermath. Our young, I still don't have a name for this guy, or any of these people. But our young, quote-unquote hero went berserk and killed all of the guards. All of them. Well, except for our falconer. Now, I know undergarments aren't exactly medieval, but that's just how we're going to portray her. So they didn't want to kill her. The mom killed the falcon as it was trying to fly off. So now they have to deal with this aftermath. What are they going to do? The princess is now wearing our falconer's clothes to try and hide her. Now they have to figure out a way to get her back to her kingdom. Let me know in the comments what you think. Hey, feel free to name some of these people. Also, I don't have a large army, so these people will make a return. Instead of General Clyde, he'll probably General Pride, So, and this story is just, it's fluid. It's just what's happening. So, this is chapter 2. If in chapter 8, I completely go off the rails, I don't know. Just bear with me. Holla at me in the next video. Peace.